Good morning. It's the 4th of the pre-holiday occasional vlogs. We are now 17 days away from Florida. Really need a holiday. I actually wasn't going to do an occasional vlog today because I don't have a huge amount of plans, but I kind of felt, well, I've got so far, so let's carry on. While I was in Amsterdam, I was literally just picking up a drink. I decided that rather than have takeaway tonight for tea, I really fancy doing a lamb meal. So I'm going to do that. I'm wandering around looking for something because I just remembered something else I need to do. Anyway, yeah, 17 days to go till Florida. Still haven't started packing yet. That's got to happen. Yeah, I know I say that every week. Maybe today? Probably not because I'm lazy. I do need to do some housework again today. Yay. But we're going to cook a lamb stew. I'm not following a recipe, I'm just going to throw ingredients in the slow cooker just to cook the meat. I'm going to cook a lamb stew, sorry, I'm going to cook a shoulder of lamb in the slow cooker with some red wine, some mint, some rosemary, just whatever I find, and obviously some stock. So I'm going to do that in a bit and get that cooking because I'm going to do it in the slow cooker to make sure that the meat is very, very tender. I'm going straight in with the cooking today because this needs to a long time because it's a big piece of meat. I've just given our slow cooker a nice rinse, so I'm going to get that straight in there. I'm not even searing it today, I just want it in there and cooking. I'm going to throw some stock and some red wine and stuff in as well while we're here. So let's crack on with that. Kettle's on the boil, so I'll add red wine while we're waiting. This is another bottle, not the bottle I used last time. It's a bit more suited to lamb apparently. There we go. Didn't leave that to breathe, that was probably a bad idea. Oh well, it'll breathe in the slow cooker. How much mint do you reckon's enough? Oops. Well, it was probably about a teaspoon. Maybe a little more. Rosemary. Did say use fresh rosemary in some of the recipes I looked at, but I don't have any, so it's just going to have to be the dried stuff. Get my stock on the go. See, I'd normally give the kitchen a good clean before I start with the cooking, but I need to get this going as soon as possible, so I'm just using the least amount of pots as I possibly can just to get this thing started, and then I can tidy the kitchen. My stock's not thickening. Well, not thickening, but you know what I mean. It's not turning into stock. In the meantime, I'm going to add some salt, pepper and some lazy garlic into this as well. Lazy garlic being this stuff that comes in a jar. It smells very strong. And add the stock. It usually says to just cover the meat. Oh, screw it, let's put the lard in. Lid's on this now. It's time to warm up as well. I'm going to leave that for the rest of the day now. Probably barely even touch it. I love slow cooker food. To go with this, I've got some mashed potato and some vegetables. And we've still got some potatoes in the cupboard, so I might do some air fryer roast potatoes as well, because I'm sure Gemma will like that. She loves her roast potatoes, and I like a bit of mash. After last week's soup disaster, I'm going to have a chicken and Spanish chorizo, but I'm going to do it on the hob. Last week I had like Moroccan chickpea and chicken, and I'm pretty sure the chickpeas were exploding in the microwave, but I'm going to warm it up on the hob this time. Gemma's found out what we're having for dinner and she's up for that. She said thinks it sounds good, because we were going to get takeaway, and I was like, I'm not sure what takeaway I fancy. Let's have an update on that piece of lamb, see how we're going. Oh, look at that. Looks good. There's a lot of fluids in there. I'm going to drain off this fluids towards the end of the cooking and use some either cornstarch or gravy powders to thicken it to make a gravy for this. It's actually happening. I'm starting to gather clothes that I'm taking on holiday. One thing I've realised, I'm taking a lot of shirts on this holiday, and I'm not the kind of person who wears shirts normally. This is one Gemma got for me. And there's another one I picked up. Got to go bright and colourful for your holidays, haven't you? Right, shirts are in the case. I'm gonna straighten them. I'm not gonna pack them like this. Yep. Picked up some new shorts from Etsy. Not Etsy. ASOS. These lighter, thinner sports shorts are great for Florida, I find. And those ones are super thin. They're like almost like swimming shorts or something. The Under Armour ones. Yeah, bright shirts. Also, other bright shirts. Gemma has expressed the opinion that she doesn't want me to take a massive Lego monster truck away with us. Not sure why, so I'm going to have to find a home for this as well. I think it can live up there for now. That'd be gin. So yeah, started packing. Loads more packing to do. I'm going to sit down now and have a minute and listen to my new record. I'll listen to a side of it because I've got to pick Gemma up in a bit. Also apparently I'm going to listen to a cat meowing. Not as good quality vinyl on this one. We've not done this for a while, have we? I'm on the right speed, aren't I? It's going to be hard to tell with this record if I'm on the wrong speed. And my lights have fell down as well. I need to have a good sort out up here. This is my chill out album. See what I mean about this one? Am I supposed to tell I'm playing it at the wrong speed? And it's fine at that speed as well. Well, that was some really pleasant listening. I'm nice and chilled now, apart from the cat noises. I am going to go and check on dinner, and then I'm going to pick up Gemma up twice. Let's have a look at this lamb. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. And the smell is perfect if you like lamb. Back on with the cooking. I've taken the juices out of the slow cooker and put some gravy powders in them, and that's making into a nice thick gravy now. It's thickening anyway. The meat looks like amazing. We have vegetables, some mash over there. It's just microwave mash today, and the slow cooker, the air fryer is on the go. Oh my, look at this. It's just fallen off the bottom. Awesome. I don't even need a knife to cut it.
Wow.
Is that enough gravy for you?
Let's have a little bit more from my mouth.
Yeah? Gemma's putting her shoes on today. Where are we going?
Chester Zoo.
Chester Zoo, we are. We're gonna split this off now. We're gonna do our usual where the weekly vlog has some highlights, but we're gonna also do a separate vlog for anybody who's more interested in zoos. Because we get quite a lot of views from them, don't we?
We're literally just going to see the new enclosure.
Yeah. So we're going to go and see the new lion enclosure, which opened earlier this week, and is officially open.
We're going to Chester next week with my brother.
Oh yeah.
So.
Yeah, I don't think I've vlogged that one.
No.
Anyway, yeah. I'm going to go see the lion enclosure and maybe see what else has changed while we're there.
We haven't seen the baby red pandas.
Oh, that's a good point. Yeah.
Not seen them yet because they weren't out last time we were there.
People like red pandas. What was I going to say? Did you enjoy that lamb dinner last night that I made?
Lovely, really nice.
It was good, wasn't it?
Not what I was expecting, so.
A lamb surprise, that's what we'll call it.
I was expecting takeout, so.
Were you disappointed?
No, not at all.
Oh, we'd have takeout tonight, but we've got burgers, haven't we? Okay. Well, burgers are better than takeout. So.
Yeah, better for us.
Yeah, because we make lean beef burgers, don't we?
We do.
And then we cover them in cheese and bacon and white bread. Not always bacon, actually. Anyway, to the zoo.
To the zoo. Stop and look at the baby in the pram.
Perfect.
Terrifying is that? A little kid in a family bus has stopped just looking at it there.
Whoa! It's under, isn't it? It's going to jump up. Yes. It's going to roar. Do you like Simba? It's a bit harder, like. He's going to roar.
It's so funny. There he is.
You can see the keeper outside. Wow.
He's just right there. Oh, I think he's found one.
And in she goes.
Going out, I think.
Going down.
Have a good day in the zoo then.
I did, yeah.
Yeah, so we gonna head home. What do you reckon? Burgers for tea. Still.
Well, that's what we're planning.
Look at the size of that seagull. Oh, it's not that big actually.
Tiny. It's a baby thing.
It's a nice looking seagull.
It's a gull, isn't it?
It's just when it came down to land, the wings threw me off. Anyway, we're gonna go and see if we can get our car out of the mud.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go home and have burgers. And watch some vlogs probably.
Burgers.
Burgers and vlogs.
Yeah, there's a few new vlogs up tonight.
Yeah.
There's Eleanor Dream and it's got one up and
Okay.
see Sean Vlogs. First one from the last chapters of the
Okay. Well, I'm glad I didn't clean the car before we came today because it looks like someone's giving me a good splattering. Look at this witchcraft. Gemma's put cheese in the burgers. Mmm. That look good. Then you score in the buns as well.
Scoring them.
Score in the buns. Whatever. Burning them.
And then toasting them, but I find
Toasting.
this is the best way so that the top of the bun doesn't burn.
You like
You put them in
toasting
the
me buns,
toaster.
don't you, honey?
You put them in the toaster and they just cremate.
Oh, okay. Dinner is served. They look good too. Thanks, Jam.